Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the V380 Pro and opening its app. This gets the camera online and exposes the QR option. Once done, make sure the phone has camera and storage permissions so the app can access the lens and save settings. You should see an Add Device or QR scan option. Tap it immediately. This is the first actionable step because the app must be in scan mode while the camera broadcasts its setup QR code. Otherwise, you can't pair the two devices. You now position the phone so the app can read the QR on the camera or device card. Hold the phone 6 to 12 inches away and center the square QR within the on-screen guide. Steady hands matter because motion blurs the code. Once the app detects the code, it will auto-populate network and device fields, which is why alignment is important. If successful, the app proceeds to configure the camera. Make sure the camera's status LED indicates setup mode during this step. You complete setup by reviewing network info, tapping confirm, and waiting for the camera to show online. Once paired, rename the camera and set a strong password to secure access. If the device fails to come online, try one key troubleshooting tip: switch to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band and retry the scan. V380 Pro typically won't join 5 GHz networks. If that fails, reboot both router and camera, or perform a factory reset and scan again to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.